we have a camp at Sheldon High School. We have come there. We are staying for the past 5 days, and now as a part of cleanliness, we are come from the NSS community. So as NSS, you know that it is meant for cleanliness. So we have come here to clean the area around place around Tilamol. It is this work is assigned to us by the panchayat. So now we have come around with our students here. These are our students, and we have collected garbage. So main aim of our collection and is that after some time we are going to go to our shopkeepers and give paper bags. So with a message that say no to plastic.
We are the students and teachers of Rosary Higher Secondary School, Navalim. We just had a street play here emphasizing the importance of protecting the environment by using less of plastic or minimizing the use of plastic so that we can save the surroundings, the rivers and all the areas, all the important things in the world. Let us make our country plastic free and let us make all efforts to do that. That was the message of the street play.